Beam reaction. This is the second video and on beam reaction. Here in this video we are going to see the beam reaction for simply supported beam with point load UDL and couple. Now here this is a beam in which is simply supported at A and B, and it is divided 2 meter, 2 meter, 2 meter. Here at 17 at point C 17 Newton force is acting, at D 20 Newton force is acting, and a UDL is acting of 5 Newton per meter from C to D. Now when the UDL here is acting from C to D, its equivalent point load will be 5 into the span on which the UDL acting is 2 meter. So 5 into 2, that is 10 Newton, will be the equivalent point load which I have shown here, and it will act at this center of CD, that is here at 1 meter from C. And if I calculate distance, then from A it is at 3 meter. So this 5 into 2 is equal to 10. This is the equivalent point load of the UDL. Now let us see how we calculate the reaction. First we will calculate the reaction RB. How we write RB is equal to, now RB will be equal to, the first force is 17 going downward, so this will give 17, distance from A is 2, 17 into 2 clockwise. For this 20, it is 20 into distance from A is 4, so from A here this is 4, 20 into 4, and it is going downward on the right hand side, so positive 20 into 4. Now for the UDL equivalent point load is 5 into 2, and it will act at center of CD, that is at 1 meter from C, but I am taking moment from A, so I want to write the distance from A. So from A it will be this 2 meter plus 1 meter, that is 3 meter. So 5 into 2 into 3. So here it will act at center of CD, that is from C at 1 meter. So this 1 meter plus this 2 meter from A, so this is total 3. Put it in the bracket. So bracket open here and bracket close here, divided by the distance between A and B, that is 6. So do the calculations. Take the calculators in your hand. Bracket open. 17 into 2 plus 20 into 4 plus 5 into 2 into 3, bracket close, divided by 6. You will get RB is equal to 24 Newton. Then for RA is equal to, now going downward forces are, first force point loads are 20 and 17, so 17 plus 20, 17 plus 20. Now this UDL we want to write it as equivalent point load, so that is 0.5 into 2. So 5 into 2 is for the UDL minus RB. Now UDL is also going down, so it is also positive. So substitute the value of RB from here as 24. So 17 plus 20 plus 5 into 2 minus 24. So take the calculators in your hand and do the calculations. 17 plus 20 plus 5 into 2 minus 24. You will get the answer. Press is equal to, you will get the answer RA is equal to 23. And you can show it here, RA as 23 and RB as 24. Let's come to the next question. Now this is the beam here, and now there is a UDL from A to C. Point load at C is 18 Newton, point load at D is 20 Newton, and UDL from A to C is 5 Newton per meter. Now its equivalent point load will be, again this, it is acting on a span from A to C, that is 2 meters, so 5 into 2 is 10 Newton. This is the equivalent point load. Now how we calculate RB is equal to, now first let us take the point loads. So the first point load is 18 and it is at a distance of 2 meter from A. 18 into 2 going downward on right hand side, positive. Then the next point load is 20, acting at a distance of 4 meter from A, so 20 into 4 going downward on right hand side, so positive. Now the UDL, the equivalent point load will be 5 into 2, 5 into 2. It will act at center of this AC, that is at 1 meter from A. So here we will take now 1. So this is how we have taken all the forces. Put the bracket here at the starting and at the end here. Put the bracket, divide by the distance between A and B, that is 6 meters. So divide by 6. So do the calculations. Take the calculators in your hand. Bracket open. 18 into 2 plus 20 into 4 plus 5 into 2 into 1, bracket close, divided by 6 is equal to, you will get the answer, RB is equal to 21 Newton. Then let us calculate RA is equal to going downward taken as positive. Now going downward, point loads are 18 and 20, plus for UDL it is 5 into 2 minus RB. Substitute the value of RB as 21. So 18 plus 20 plus 5 into 2 minus 21. Do the calculation. Take the calculators in your hand. 18 plus 20 plus 5 into 2 minus 21 is equal to, you will get the answer, 27 Newton. Show the reactions here in the beam. RA is equal to 27 and RB is equal to 21. This is how you do the calculations for RA and RB. Do the little practice of it slowly and you can calculate RA RB in just 2 steps. Let's go to the next beam. Now again this is a beam. Now the UDL is acting on the DB span. At C the point load is 18, at D it is 20 Newton, and D to B is the UDL. Now the UDL is 10 Newton per meter. So the equivalent point load will be 10 into 2. This span on which UDL acting is 2 meters. So 10 into 2. So 20 Newton is now equivalent point load. Now how we calculate RB is equal to, it is, first let us take the point load 18, distance from A is 2. So 18 into 2, going downward positive. Here it is 20, again going downward, distance from A is 4, 20 into 4. Right hand side going down positive, plus for the UDL the magnitude is 10 into 2. Now this will act at center of this 2 meter, that is from D it will act at 1 meter. Now from this point to A it will be 2 plus 2 plus from here to here 1, that is 5. So this distance will be now 5 meter. So 10 into 2 into 5 will be the moment for the UDL, and put the bracket here, bracket open, bracket close, divide by the distance between A and B, that is 6. So now take the calculators in your hand and do the calculations. Bracket open, 18 into 2 plus 20 into 4 plus 10 into 2 into 5, bracket close, divided by 6 is equal to, and you will get the answer, RB is equal to 36. Now how to calculate RA is equal to, RA will be equal to, now going downward is positive, so first force is 18, second is 20 going downward. UDL, for the UDL it will be 10 into 2 equivalent point load minus RB. Substitute the value of RB, 18 plus 20 plus 10 into 2 minus RB is 16. Do the calculations. Take the calculators in your hand. 18 plus 20 plus 10 into 2 minus 36 is equal to, that is 18 plus 20 plus 10 into 2 minus 36 is equal to, you will get the answer 22. So write at, show the answers. RA is equal to 22 and RB is equal to 36. This is how you find the reactions, and do a little practice of it. You can do it in 2 steps within 5 minutes. Let us take the next question. Now here there is a overhang. Now at CA is a overhang, at D 11 Newton force is acting, at E 15 Newton force is acting, at F 4 Newton force is acting. The distances are shown 1 meter, 2 meter, 2 meter and 1 meter. Now how we calculate RB is equal to, again remember that we are taking moment about point A, and all the distances will be taken from point A. RB is equal to, now here this is the UDL which is on the left hand side, so equivalent point load will be minus 4 into 1, and it will act here at the center of 1, that is 0.5, and the distance from A will be 0.5. So minus 4 into 1 into 0.5 for the UDL. For this 22, for 11 Newton force, it will be 11 into 2, right hand side going down, positive, so plus 11 into 2. For this 15, it will be 15 into 4, again it is positive, plus 15 into 4. For this 4, now the distance from A is 2 plus 2 plus this 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1, that is 7. So from A up to here, so 4 into 7, and right hand side going down, positive, so plus 4 into 7. So we have taken all the forces, so put the bracket here, bracket open, bracket close, divided by distance between A and B. So from this A to B, this is 6 meters, so divide by 6. Take the calculators in your hand, bracket open, minus 4 into 1 into 0.5 plus 11 into 2 plus 15 into 4 plus 4 into 7, bracket close, divided by 6 is equal to, and you will get the answer 18 Newton. RB is equal to 18 Newton. This is the answer for RB. Now how to calculate RA? While calculating RA, what we do is, going down we take it positive, so RA is equal to, now for the UDL it is acting on 1 meter span, 4 into 1, this is the equivalent point load, 4 into 1. Then next force is 11 plus 15 plus 4, all of them going down, so positive, RB going up, negative. Substitute the value, 4 into 1 plus 11 plus 15 plus 4, and RB is 18, so minus 18. Do the calculations, take the calculators in your hand. 4 into 1 plus 11 plus 15 plus 4 minus 18. You will get answer 16. So RA is equal to 16 and RB is equal to 18. Let us take the next problem. Now here there is an overhang on both the sides. So C is a overhang, CA is a overhang, and at C there is a point load 5 Newton. At point D, at 2 meter from A, there is a point load 15 Newton. And BE is a overhang of 2 meter, and a UDL of 5 Newton per meter is acting on the BE span, which is 2 meter. So the equivalent point load will be 5 into 2, because the UDL is now acting on 2 meter span. So 5 into 2, that is 10, is the equivalent point load. Now this will act here at the center of BE, that is at 1 meter from B. Now how we write RB is equal to, RB will be equal to, we are taking moment about A, so moment of RA about A is 0, so RA is nowhere in the picture. Now this C is on the left hand side going down, so this will give anti-clockwise moment, so it is minus 5 into distance is 1, so minus 5 into 1 plus, now this 15 is 15, distance from A is 2, going downward on right hand side is positive, so plus 15 into 2. And for this equivalent point load it will be 5 into 2, and now from A, the distance from A is, this is 2 plus 3, and from B up to here is 1, so 1 plus 3 plus 2, that is 6. So now here we have taken all the forces, so put the bracket here, and in the starting put the bracket and divide by, now distance between A and B is 5, it is not 6, now here it is 5, so divide by 5. Now take the calculators in your hand, bracket open, minus 5 into 1 plus 1 5 into 2 plus 5 into 2 into 6, bracket close, divided by 5 is equal to, you'll get RB is equal to 17. Now let us calculate RA. How we calculate RA? For RA, going downward, all the forces are taken as positive, so 5, 15 going down, so 5 plus 15. For this UDL, equivalent point load is 5 into 2, so write 5 into 2, and RB going up minus, so 5 plus 15 plus 5 into 2 minus RB, 5 into 15 plus 5 into 2 minus 17. RB is 17, so substitute here. Do the calculation, take the calculators in your hand. 5 plus 15 plus 5 into 2 minus 1 7 is equal to, you will get the answer 13. So this is how you find the reaction. Ra is 13 and Rb is 17. Do a little practice, you can do it very speedily. Next, let us find the Ra and Rb for the different beam. Now it is 2 meter to 1 meter and 2 meter from A to B. At C there is a point load of 40 kilonewton, and at D there is a clockwise moment of 5 kilonewton meter. How we find the reaction Rb? So how we write Rb is equal to now the first force is 40 kilonewton. For Ra is not in picture because moment of Ra about A is 0. Rb is equal to 40 into distance from A is 2, right hand side going down, positive. Now this is a clockwise moment, so clockwise moment we take it positive, so directly take 5. So 40 into 2 plus 5, put it in the bracket, divided by distance between A and B is now 5, so divide by 5. So take the calculators in your hand, bracket open, 40 into 2 plus 5 bracket close divided by 5 is equal to, you will get the answer 17. Next is Ra. Ra is very simple. Now Ra is equal to, now 40 is going down, this moment will not come into picture, Rb going up, so 40 going down positive minus Rb, substitute the value of Rb from here, so 40 minus 17, Ra is 23 kilonewton. Ra is 23, Rb is 17. This is how you do the calculations. Next, let us go to the next problem now. This is the beam, 2 meter, 1 meter, 2 meter. Now at C the point load is acting 30 kilonewton, and at D anti-clockwise moment is acting 10 kilonewton meter. How we write Rb is equal to, now Rb will be equal to, now this will give clockwise moment 30 into 2, so 30 into 2, now this is anti-clockwise, so this is minus 10. You don't have to multiply here because this is already a moment, so 30 into 2 minus 10, put it in the bracket, divided by the distance from A to B is now 5, so divided by 5. So take the calculators in your hand, bracket open, 30 into 2 minus 10 bracket close divided by 5 is equal to, now you will get Rb is equal to 10 kilonewton. Ra is equal to, now 30 going down positive, Rb going up negative, 30 minus Rb, there are only two forces, so substitute the value of Rb as 10, so 30 minus 10, you will get it as Ra 20 kilonewton. It is so simple. So Ra is equal to 20 and Rb is equal to 10 kilonewton. Do a little practice and solve different problems. You can calculate Ra and Rb reactions within 5 minutes, and this is very important because after calculating Ra and Rb, you have to draw the shear force and bending moment diagrams also. Be a master. Thank you.